Are you looking for the best Dado blade in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best Dado blade that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Irwin Tools 1811865 Marples 8-inch stacked Dado blade. There's definitely a hierarchy when it comes to woodworking tools. There are regular ones, and then there is the Irwin Tools 1811865 Marples 8-inch stacked Dado blade. This has been manufactured in a country known for exquisitely crafting durable and finely sharpened knives that work to precision. This Italian-made blade is engineered for accurate and clear-cut woodworking that is evidently superior to others. All the blades are made with due attention to detail, ensuring they all perform at only one level: perfection. They come thinly made with an oversized premium quality carbide that ensures these circular blades are at top performance all through their prolonged lifespan. The larger blades at the side can be resharpened, ensuring they deliver the finely cut, accurate, and professional work every woodworkman desires. Also featuring a heat-resistant non-stick coating, the blades are sure to dispel heat, resulting in cleaner and truer cuts. With 2 outer blades, 3 chippers, 3 spacers, and 7 shims, the blades have the capacity to cut grooves from inch to 7/8-inch diameters. This 8-inch diameter stacked Dado has the advantage of resharpenable teeth that finely cut into softwood, plywood, hardwoods, and melamine alike. For more amazing tools like this, check out our guide to the best circular saws. Up next in the 4th place is the MIBRO 4163818 8-inch Carbide Stacking Dado Blade Set. The MIBRO 4163818 Carbide Stacking Dado Blade Set is a perfect choice for DIY enthusiasts and weekend practitioners who love to get in and get some work done occasionally. Affordably priced to suit a lot of pockets, the MIBRO set still delivers clear-cut grooves for joint sets. It may not work as accurately as higher brands and blades, yet it will still cut grooves from 1/4 to 13/16 in 1/16 increments. The carbide tooth blades and chippers have negative hook angles that create flat, smooth bottom grooves with reduced splinters. These tooth blades are made with carbide, which ensures the blades last longer and still performs efficiently over time. Also incorporated for safety is an anti-kickback design that allows the blades to glide smoothly on the work material. This ensures the workpiece doesn't go over the blades too quickly, establishing clear-cut, satisfactory edges. After use, the individual blades are to be stored in their provided durable case, with each blade enjoying its own personal housing. Our guide to the best jigsaws features more cool products for your workshop, so take a moment to check them out. The 3rd product on our list is the Oshlun SDS 084 8-inch 42-tooth stacked Dado blades. In the woodworking industry, there are certain tools and equipment that are exceptionally useful to complete a large range of work and applications. Dado cutters happen to be one of them, aiding in cutting grooves on a work board that needs to be joint to another workpiece. The Oshlun SDS 084 8-inch 42-tooth stacked Dado set comes with 16 sharpened, quality blades made to cut clean and precise grooves. For quite an affordable price, these multiple blades provide the option of selecting the number of blades required for the specific task. For indentations that are more narrow, just a few blades would be necessary for a true, precise, and well-finished cut on the board. However, for grooves that need to be wider in width, more blades can be stacked up to ensure a thicker cut on the workpiece. A high tooth count on the edges of the blade and the full body chippers provide a smooth bottom cut from 1/4 to 29/32 inches. The chippers also make for an easier setup and are engineered to run with less vibration when cutting through a workpiece. These blades are made with quality C4 carbide that ensures its durability and hassle-free performance over time. Our guide to the best track saws features more high-quality cutting tools, so be sure to check them out. Second on our list is the Freud 8-inch X24T Super Dado Blades. As a professional in the carpentry industry, having a stack of top-quality tools and equipment is highly important. This will tell on the type of work produced and just how detailed and precise the overall form is. Freud tools are known to be exceptionally crafted via top-notch materials and innovative technology to ensure the workman adds precision and professionalism to skill. All their blades are well detailed, made and treated through advanced and sophisticated processes. The Freud 8 X24T Super Dado Sets SD508 is no different. It stands up to the height by delivering top-notch, clean and precise cuts every workman desires for his workpieces. Its 8 diameter is set to fit into any 5/8 table saw hole with anti-kickback blades and chippers for enhanced safety. The set itself includes 2 blades, 6 chippers, a shim set with a carrying case that can also be used to store the blades. Made with high-density titanium, cobalt, carbide, and tungsten, the blades are engineered to deliver sharp and durable form over time. Finished with a silver ice coating, these super blades cut efficiently without wood shavings building up or its surfaces heating up. For more useful tools for carpenters, be sure to check out our reviews of the best miter saws. Finally, the top product on our list is the Freud 8-inch X20T box joint cutter set. The Freud team are always looking for innovative and advanced ways to provide solutions in this growing industry. And as little as it may seem, they have achieved this with the Freud 8 X20T box joint cutter set S-Box 8. With their high-precision, top-quality blades and unique tooth design, they make clean and precise cuts through the workpiece. However, there is a twist to it. While these blades deliver precisely square, flat-bottom joints via a table saw, they achieve this a bit differently. These accurate grooves are created without a dado set or saw blade required. Instead, a simple yet extremely effective application has been introduced to enhance its convenience and easy installation. Whether you're an expert or a regular practitioner who loves the craft, this cutter set will be very handy and quite easy to use. The 2 8-diameter blades are installed on a table saw with the blades placed together, back to back to achieve inch box joints. The reverse is done, that is placing them face to face to achieve 3/8 box joints. Regardless of the set size and weight, it still achieves precise cuts on the first run. If you are looking for more cutting tools for your workshop, be sure to check out our guide to the best scroll saws and pick your favorite. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.